Got no switch up here, you gotta use one of these. Just get one from the house.
As the temperature drops below zero, we find ourselves in a rush to get our shop done. But we are laying rebar and prepping to pour our cement floor. We cement in 2 teleposts for our future loft and get more gravel delivered. We enjoyed one of our last sunny afternoons at a local park before we got our first dusting of the beautiful white stuff we call snow. Drive it! Steer it! And that's Grandma with the pizza. Pizza! Oh, look at it come! Is that a hole?
Don't fill it in.
Are they mixing cement?
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come.
All right, good.
Working in the shop, it's about 5 degrees Celsius today. Winter is coming. Well, got the 2 tele posts in, just gonna put the extensions on for the loft area.
We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never
Just going around, putting that through both the loops.
Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah.
Use up the switch on your saw. You got no switch up here, you gotta use one of these. Just get one from the house.
We will always take a stand for the people, for the land.
She's like, what do I do? Yes. What are you gonna do?
You're gonna need help to do those.
Give me your other hand. Come on. Oh, no. Turn your
Hey, Veronica, what you doing? Just determined. Woo! You gonna go again? What you doing in there? Oh, look at you. All right. You crazy kid. How many 2-year-olds? October 15th, everybody, it's snowing. Lovely.